Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Yoga the Journey Within. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, like, share and don't forget to press the bell icon. So today we are going to discuss about deep breathing exercises along with Brahma Mudra. What are the benefits of Brahma Mudra? Brahma itself means divine. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Brahma is the creator of the universe. Creation means life and life means prana. That means by applying this mudra, we can actually enhance the flow of prana in our body. Universe is made up of 5 elements. Similarly, our body is also made up of 5 elements. That means by applying this mudra, we can also balance these 5 elements of our body. It purifies the chakras by enhancing the prana level. It calms down our nervous system. It also helps us to go into the meditative state. So these are the benefits of Brahma Mudra. Let us now discuss about deep breathing, benefits of deep breathing. Deep breathing acts as a natural painkiller, produces endorphins or good hormones. It removes toxins from our body because the movement of diaphragm up and down, it really massages all the organs in our body. It also helps us, improves our posture. How? If we sit like this, you observe, if we slouch and sit and try to take a deep breath and fill your lungs with air. Try doing it. And see how the spine straightens up. So it also makes our body alkaline. How? You know, acidity actually, many diseases flourish in acidic environment. So it makes our deep breathing makes our body alkaline. How? Because it relaxes our nervous system. It calms down by activating our parasympathetic nervous system. So then if the stress is, acidity is triggered by stress, we all know this. So it will calm down our system. That means this is how acidity won't be there only. It will make our body alkaline. It enhances our metabolism. If our metabolism is good, our digestion is good. If digestion is good, then there is no bloating, no acidity. That means indirectly it makes our body alkaline. This is how it works. So it is a cost-free method of making our body alkaline. So these are the benefits of deep breathing exercises. Like the musician prepares himself for his session or program, we also need to prepare ourselves for pranayama. So you need to sit in a very comfortable position. If you are comfortable on floor, sit cross-legged on the floor or sit on the chair. Anything is fine. There shouldn't be any discomfort because then you won't be able to focus on your breathing if there is any sort of discomfort. Make sure you roll your shoulders back, keep your spine straight, tuck in your tailbone. It should be properly aligned. Your vertebrae should be properly aligned. You please make sure of that. And the next thing is that you shouldn't eat anything before doing pranayama. Any pranayama you are not supposed to eat. If you have had your meal, then you need to wait for 2.5 hours. But at the same time, if you are hungry, then please do have a fruit or something and then wait for 15-20 minutes, then you start practicing. First, we'll check about the reverse breathing. Most of us are not aware that we do reverse breathing. What does that mean? You need to place your hand on your stomach, place it and just take a breath. Please observe and see your abdomen. When you inhale, your abdomen goes up, it should go up, and with exhalation, your abdomen should go down. It shouldn't be the reverse way. This is how we are supposed to breathe. Please correct your breathing if you are doing it in the reverse way. This is how we need to prepare ourselves. Then we are going to apply Brahma Mudra now. Thumb should be placed here at the base of little finger. Then you need to wrap your fingers. Same thing with the right hand, thumb at the base, and you need to wrap the fingers here. Place it at the navel. You need to tilt your head. Why? Because moon is here, moon energy is here and sun is here. We don't want the energies to mix up. Let the moon energy remain here and the sun energy remain here. Now we start with a deep inhalation Slow and steadily. Inhale, peace. Exhale, anxiety. Again. Inhale, peace. Exhale, anxiety. One more time. Inhale, peace. Exhale, anxiety. This is how you are supposed to do. Don't overdo it. First, you do it only 10 times. You may start feeling dizzy because if you are not used to it, then you might feel dizzy. You should stop then and there if you feel dizzy. For advanced goers, for advanced people who have already been practiced pranayama for a long time, you can just during exhalation, you can just press your hand on the belly button while exhaling. At the same time, after inhalation, you can take a pause for 3 seconds, and during exhalation, just keep pressing your hand on the belly. And at the same time, clench your anus as well. This is for the advanced goers. And one thing you should also remember, the people who have been doing for a long time, make exhalation to be longer than the inhalation. But beginners shouldn't try it. They should just make it equal. Inhalation and exhalation, don't take a pause, just keep doing it. 10 times is more than enough for them. But 15 times, try it after 10 times, then try 15 times, then 21 times. Like this you can improve, but please don't overdo it. Anything shouldn't be overdone. So after it is done, you please rub your hands. Spread the energy, whatever you have generated, all over the body. Feel there is no stress in your body. Your body is calm. Your body is relaxed. You have generated very good hormones. So please keep a smile on your face. It will make you happy from within. Rub again your hands. Rub your ears. Rub your ears. And this is how we are supposed to do and end the session like this. So pranayama actually is depositing money. It is just like depositing money in a bank account, which will reap rich benefits of health, vitality, and energy. So keep practicing and keep depositing. See you soon. Until then, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay fit. Namaskar.